There are people that want to be a part of a team that is being led by people that really won't take no for an answer. And I love it when I see that in you. And what is driving that?
That's a great question. What comes to my mind is I really admire champions.
Yeah.
And I really admire people that pull off the win when you're not supposed to. I think that probably is one of my favorite memories as a child, is watching Jordan do what he did. And just being a kid in Chicago, we were so lucky to be able to have that as nightly entertainment. But you look at others like that, whether it be Tom Brady, recent history, or even maybe not the GOATs like those guys, Peyton Manning, Kobe Bryant. There's champions are champions. And I think that one of the things that is just the coolest is when energy is at 1,000, noise is at 120 or 150 decibels or whatever the right number is. I'm not a sound engineer. I always wanted to be like that. I just watched it and was like, what would I be like if I was there right now? If I'm on the field in that moment, am I going to pass the ball or do I want the ball? Am I going to shoot for the win or am I going to chicken out? Am I going to believe that I'm going to win or am I going to believe that I'm going to lose? And nowadays, it looks like trying to win big business deals or pull off strategic partnerships or save our day when it comes to finding a part that we're missing or whatever. But the variables are the same. You have a situation, you're in it, whether it's the pitch is thrown and you hit the ball out of the park, or you throw the ball down the sideline into the end zone, or you hit the game-winning shot in Utah, and you ride off into the history books. All of it is based on a series of things, which is you have circumstances and what are you going to do about it in the moment?